Don't get rid of shite, mate. It's just that bait that was down down. Straight into the drains, mate.
Cheers.
Just a bit, yeah. We get with light forecasting dogs.
And you doing that.